K for kite. K for key. K for king. K for karate. K for kiwi. K for kidney. K for kit. K for keyboard. K for kitchen. K for kiwi. K for kingfisher. K for kitten. K for knife. K for kangaroo. K for ketchup. K for kids. K for kettle. K for kangaroo. K for koala. K for knitting. K for killer whale. K for knee. K for kennel. K for kick. K for keep. K for kitchen scale. K for kimchi. K for kettle. K for kohlrabi. K for kumquat. K for ketchup.